Hi guys, I want to give you guys a quick look at the electric ukulele. Let me go ahead and open this up. As you can see here, it comes in a nice bag, all nicely sealed. So let's go ahead and open this up for you guys, so you guys can see the electric ukulele. It's nice and small. It is smaller than obviously a regular guitar, but let's go ahead and open this up so you guys can see close up. And that's what it looks like. Let me flip that over. So this is what you receive in the box, nicely sealed, nicely packaged. It comes with nice steel guitar strings. Probably would need replacements, but nonetheless still a good quality guitar, electric ukulele. So if you're interested in purchasing this, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel. And it also comes with the cable as well to plug it into your amplifier or amp. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.